Nachos are a Tex-Mex culinary dish consisting of tortilla chips or totopos covered with cheese or cheese sauce, as well as a variety of other toppings and garnishes, often including meats such as ground beef or grilled chicken, and vegetables such as chili peppers, lettuce, tomatoes, and olives. Here is a recipe for Mexican nachos. Ingredients needed for Mexican nachos: 1 bag of tortilla chips, 1 can of refried beans, 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 pound of ground beef, 1/2 onion, chopped, 1/2 cup of shredded cheese, 1 jalapeno pepper, sliced. How to prepare Mexican nachos. 1. Preheat the oven to 350 F. 2. In a pot or frying pan, bring 1.5 cups of water to a boil. Once boiling, stir in the contents of a pouch of HERDEZ Instant Refried Beans. Cover and simmer on low heat for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Remove from heat, and cover, stir, and let sit for 5 minutes before serving. 3. While the beans are cooking, heat oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add the ground beef and onion, and cook until the beef is browned and the onion is soft. 4. Layer the tortilla chips on a baking sheet, starting with half of the chips. Sprinkle half of the cheese, half of the meat, and half of the jalapeños over the chips. Repeat with the remaining chips, cheese, meat, and jalapeños. 5. Bake the nachos in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. 6. Serve the nachos hot with the refried beans on the side. Enjoy the homemade Mexican nachos.